Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Grok AI high demand problem. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Grok AI app, tap on app info or I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and tap on app permission. Make sure your all permission is allowed. Then go back, open your Play Store and search here Grok AI. Make sure your Grok AI is updated. Then open your Grok AI and now sign in. Continue with Google or email or Twitter account. Select your email ID. And tap on skip. Now try it. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem easily. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel